Hello students, today I am going to introduce a lesson matrices and determinants. Now in this lesson, today's session we are discussing what is a matrix, what is the order of a matrix and what are the types of matrices. Matrix is the singular form of the word matrices. Matrix is the singular form, matrices is the plural form. Now we will see what is a matrix. Matrix is a rectangular array of numbers enclosed in a square bracket or a normal bracket. We will see now what is a matrix. Rectangular array of numbers enclosed in square brackets. What is this rectangular array of numbers? Suppose if you take the numbers 5, 6, -1, 0, 4, 5. Here you can see 5, 6, -1 are forming one horizontal line, 0, 4, 5 is forming another horizontal line. So total these numbers are forming a rectangular form. So this rectangular array of numbers, if you put in square brackets, then this is called a matrix. And one more example you can see 1, 5, 3, -4, 2, 7, 6, 3, 2. This is one more rectangular array. We can put the brackets like this also. A matrix can be expressed using these open brackets also. So this way we will be expressing the matrices. Usually matrices are denoted by capital letters A, B, C, D, X, etc. So let us suppose A is equal to, this is X is equal to. Now in this matrix you can see the numbers 5, 6, -1, 0, 4, 5, etc. These are called the elements of the matrix. Those are called elements of the matrix. Element. Now in the matrix you can see some numbers are in horizontal lines. 5, 6, -1 are in horizontal line. 0, 4, 5 are also in horizontal line, whereas 5, 0 are in vertical line, 6, 4 in vertical line, -1, 5 are in vertical line. These horizontal lines are called rows. Those horizontal lines are called rows and the vertical lines are called columns. Now if you see this matrix, it has 2 rows and 3 columns. Now if you see this matrix A, 5, 3, -1 form a row that we can say as first row. 0, 4, 2 are forming another row, we say that as second row. Now 5, 0 are forming a column which is first column and this is forming second column and -1 and 2 are forming third column. So this matrix is having now 2 rows and 3 columns. I repeat, the horizontal lines are called rows and the vertical lines are called columns. Here there are 2 horizontal rows. So this is first row and this is second row. first column, second column and the third column. When it comes to this matrix, this is first row, second row, third row, first column, second column and third column. Now, we had seen what is a matrix. Matrix is an rectangular array of numbers. Those numbers can be real numbers or complex numbers which are enclosed in brackets, and the numbers in a matrix are called the elements of the matrices, and matrix is having rows and columns, and matrices are denoted by a capital letter A, B, C, D, etc. This much we had seen. Now we will see what is the order of a matrix. What is the order of a matrix? Now you see this matrix, here there are 2 rows, there are 2 rows and there are 3 columns. So 3 columns, 2 rows and 3 columns. So 2 by 3 or 2 cross 3 is called the order of this matrix. When it comes to here, there are here there are 3 rows and 3 columns. Therefore, order of this matrix is 3 by 3 or 3 cross 3. So, students, here you have to observe that the number of rows first always you write and the number of columns will come later. Number of rows cross number of columns, that is the order of a matrix. Number of rows cross number of columns, that is the order of this matrix. So, in general, order of a matrix we can say like this. If a matrix has m rows and n columns, then the order of the matrix is m cross n or m by n. Now we will see the types of matrices. Types of matrices. There are many types of matrices. First one is a row matrix. First one is a row matrix. What is a row matrix? A matrix which has only one row. A matrix having only one row is called a row matrix. Matrix having only one row is called a row matrix. Example, 3 minus 1 2. One more example is 0 5. This is also one more row matrix. Next comes column matrix. What is a column matrix? Column matrix is a matrix which is having only one column. Matrix having only one column is called column matrix. Example, 2, 5, 0, 3, 2, 8, 9, 11. We can give these are the examples of column matrix and these are the row matrix and column matrix. Is zero matrix or null matrix? What is zero matrix or null matrix? A matrix which has all the elements as zeros. All the elements of a matrix are zeros, then we say that matrix as a zero matrix. All the elements are zeros. Usually that zero matrix is denoted by O. Now example we can give 0, 0, 0, 0. It is a 2 by 2 null matrix. 0, 0, 0. It is a 3 by 1 null matrix. 0, 0, 0, 0. It is a 1 by 4 null matrix. So these are the examples of null matrix. Now next comes a square matrix. What is a square matrix? A square matrix is a matrix in which number of rows and number of columns are equal. Number of rows and columns are equal. Number of rows and columns are equal. That type of matrix is called a square matrix. Example 3, 5, minus 7, 2, 0, 1, 4, 3, 6. This is a 3 by 3 square matrix. One more example I can give 1, 5, 3, 9. This is a 2 by 2 square matrix. Now in a square matrix you can see a diagonal from left top to the right bottom. We can see a diagonal. This is called principal diagonal. That is called principal diagonal or leading diagonal. Now here 3, 0, 6 are the elements of the principal diagonal. Principal diagonal will get only in square matrices, not in any other matrices. Now if you see here, this is the principal diagonal and 1 and 9 are the principal diagonal elements. Next is a diagonal matrix. Diagonal matrix is a square matrix in which all the elements except diagonal elements are zeros. What does it mean? We will see by example we can understand what is a diagonal matrix. First I will take a 3 by 3 square matrix in which diagonal elements we will take as suppose 1, 3, minus 5. These are the diagonal elements if I take. Non-diagonal elements must be zeros. So now if you see, this is a matrix with only diagonal elements are non-zeros, remaining all are zeros. All non-diagonal elements are zeros, then that type of square matrix is called a diagonal matrix. One more example, 3, minus 9, 0, 0. It is a diagonal matrix. Next one is a scalar matrix. What is a scalar matrix? A scalar matrix is a diagonal matrix in which all the diagonal elements are equal. A diagonal matrix in which all the diagonal elements are equal. So, example we can take 5 0 0 0 5 0 0 0 5 minus 3 0 0 minus 3. These are the examples of a scalar matrix. Next one is unit matrix or identity matrix. What is a unit matrix? A diagonal matrix in which all the diagonal elements are equal to 1 is called a unit matrix. It is denoted by I. Suppose if you have taken a unit matrix of order 2, then it is 1 0 0 1. If you take unit matrix of order 3, it is 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1. Unit matrix of order 4 is 1 0 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 0 1. This way we can write the unit matrices. Next we will see what is the equality of matrices. When we say that two matrices are equal, equality of matrices. Or equal matrices. If two matrices are equal, then their order must be same. Order must be same and the corresponding elements must be equal. Corresponding elements are equal. Suppose A is a matrix 1, 2, 3, 4. B is another matrix 1, 2, 3, 4. A is a matrix of order 2 by 2. B is also a matrix of order 2 by 2 and both are having the corresponding elements same. First element of first row same, second element of first row same, first element of second row same, second element of second row same. So, now these two matrices are having the same order and the corresponding elements are equal. So, we can say that these two matrices are equal. So, today in this class we had seen what is a matrix, what is the order of matrix and what are the different types of matrices and when we say that two matrices are equal. With this today's session we will conclude. We will meet in the next session.